Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to activate eSIM in iPhone. Before you begin, make sure you have a valid eSIM activation code and a stable Wi-Fi or data connection. Now open Settings on your iPhone, then tap Mobile, Cellular or Mobile Data. Depends on your iOS version. Tap Add eSIM or Add Cellular Plan. Now you'll see three options: scan your QR code, use photo library, or enter details manually. Just tap enter details manually and pass the SMDP address and activation code. Just tap continue to confirm and install the eSIM. Now after installation, set your default line for SMS and calls, then choose the eSIM as the default if it's your main number, and set the eSIM as line for iMessage or FaceTime. Then choose your eSIM line like secondary. You can turn off, which allows mobile data switching. So if you're traveling, disable roaming on your home SIM to avoid charges and rename your lines like local eSIM primary to avoid confusion. As simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.